Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to hide a story from someone on Instagram. So hiding a story from someone whom you're not comfortable sharing your stories for any reason. So you can simply hide it by going into their profile. So for going into their profile, you can simply jump into your followings by tapping on your followings. And as you can see here that I only have a single following. So I want to hide my stories from this user. So I'm going to simply tap on this user, and now I'll just simply tap on these three dots at the top. On the top right side, you will be able to see the option of hide your story. Okay. And now we're going to simply tap on hide again. Now my stories will be hidden from this particular user. And if you have a lot of the people in your following, what you can do, you can simply search them on your search bar as well. So for that, I can simply click on the search icon, and now I can simply search the username of that particular user. Okay, so I'm going to simply tap on this again, and let's say that I wanted to unhide my stories from this user for some reasons. I'm going to tap on these three dots again, and I'm going to simply tap on unhide your story, and now my stories will be visible to this particular user. So this is how you can hide a story from someone on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.